In web design, every one of my do-nows, the bell ringer assignments that students get in to make sure that their computers are set up and ready to go for my computer science class, is a review of a different website, trying to analyze different design aspects that we're talking about. And so I use discussions quite frequently for graded assignments. Quite convenient. I'm just hiding the students' names here, but you can select the student. You'll be able to see what they posted, and you'll also see, once you click on their name, what they replied to in other people's posts. So if part of your assignment is to also comment on another student's, and sometimes a follow-up do now activity will be find someone else's post and reply to that, and in that case I'll be able to select them and see all of their contributions and apply the grade right there. I have, when creating a new discussion, I have been asked previously if you're able to attach a rubric to a discussion. You cannot, as far as I know. It is really handy to have a rubric associated with grading a discussion. And so what I do is I'll have the ungraded discussion. I'll post that. The students need to reference the rubric on a different assignment that I'll use to then assess their performance inside an online discussion. But usually I'll just add it to the graded book right here. On other assignments, on a normal assignment, what I mean by that is right here, you will have an option here to associate a rubric with this assignment. You don't have that with a discussion. Discussions do have some cool options, like not allowing any students to see their peers' posts until they have first submitted that. And that it really helps, I've found, to cut back on the repetitive answers, because everyone just sounds like the first person that posted, because everyone's just going off of their ideas. Have multiple sections of a particular class, you can have a cross-section discussion, which is also pretty enjoyable. I did that with some of my web design classes when I had multiple, and that's pretty rewarding as well.